Hello, today we will guide you through how to change USD to INR in Exness in mobile. To begin, open the Exness app on your mobile device and make sure you are on the main screen. This process is done from inside the app while creating a suitable account setting, so it helps to move slowly and check each screen carefully as you go. Once the app is open, look to the top right corner of the screen and tap the three dots. This usually opens additional account options and settings. If your screen looks slightly different, just look for the menu icon in that same area. From the menu, tap on Open Account. This is the option that lets you create a new account with the settings you want. It is important to note that in many cases, the currency of an existing trading account cannot be changed later, so this process is typically done while opening another account with the preferred currency. After that, tap Continue. This will take you to the next setup screen and move you further into the account creation process. Take a quick moment here to review what appears on screen before moving forward. Next, select MT5. This means you are choosing the MetaTrader 5 account type. Make sure you tap the correct option, since different account types can have different setup paths. Then tap on Demo. This will open the demo account setup, where you can choose account details before the account is created. If you are practicing or testing settings, the demo option is a useful place to start. Now look for the currency field and tap on it to change the selected currency. This is the key part of the process. If USD is currently selected, tapping this field should open the list of available currencies. In the currency list, look for INR and tap on it. Take your time and scroll carefully if needed, because the list may contain multiple currency options. Once you select INR, the account will be set up using Indian rupees instead of US dollars. Finally, tap Continue and follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. The remaining steps may include confirming account details and finishing the account creation flow. Just review everything carefully before proceeding so the currency selection is correct. And that's it. You have now gone through the process of changing from USD to INR in Exness on mobile by creating an account with INR selected. If the option does not appear right away, double-check that you are in the correct account setup screen and that you selected the proper account type.